there, dear beading friends, are you ready to do with me these colorful and super easy and fast earrings? They bring spring vibes, so I'm sure that you're gonna enjoy making them and wearing them. Consider subscribing with the bell, liking, sharing and commenting. In this way you inspired me to make more videos. Also, you could check the membership option that comes with a lot of perks like video courses and digital patterns. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so what I'm using here for this video are 6 colors of 11 seed beads. You could use less colors if you want. Here I'm using 2 8-0 colors, which are for the central flower. I use earring findings, nylon thread, the brand is Nylbond, but you could use your favorite thread, size 11 beading needle or similar size, and scissors. And now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay friends, and I'm starting my work by picking up 8 of those beautiful white beads. And I'm going to slide those down. I'll stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is to make a knot. I'm making it by making a loop and going twice, or you could do even 3 times through the loop you've made. And then pulling gently without stucking any beads in this loop and making one more knot just to be sure it's all tight and secure, and then go here through those 2 white beads. Take one of the 8-0 beads, guys, and as I'm exiting from this white, I go through the opposite white. How I find the opposite? I count 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one on my way. And I go through it just like this. Okay. Now I have the center of my work ready. And I want to flip my work like this, guys. Why I'm flipping? Because I want to work in this direction. It's easier for me. If it's easier for you, work in the other direction. So I take one black and I go backwards through this bead and through the following. Take one more, go back through this bead and through the following. Repeat again. And it is absolutely the same thing, guys, until the end of this row. Okay, I have this. What I want to do is to go through this black one. As I'm exiting from the central white, I go through this black one, and in this way I'm changing directions. But don't worry about this, it is a wanted effect. So I go through the next black. And as always, guys, I prefer to flip in the direction where I'm more comfortable to work to. Okay, so I take another black one. And I'm going to continue adding black beads until the end of this row. And at this step, guys, I want one black bead. I'm going back through this bead and through the following, like I did in the previous row. 2 yellow beads, I go back through the black. One black, and I go backwards through this black and through the following as always. Then 2 orange beads, and I go back through this one and through the following. So now I attach 2 orange beads to this black from the previous circle, the previous row. And I take 1 black and I go back through these 2 beads that are coming up next. Then I need 2 red beads. I go like this. One black. Go through this black and through the following. And 2 blue beads. Now guys, I'm going to repeat what I have here from this side. So black 2 yellows, black 2 orange, black 2 reds and black 2 blue beads. Okay, and now I'm adding the blue beads. Now friends, what I want to do is to go backwards through as many beads as I can. In this way I'm flipping the direction, and that's why I prefer to flip my work as well. And I will go through all of those beads to make them stay nice and tight in a row and connect them. I need again a black bead where the black bead is. Then I go in this red one. I take a white and a red, and I go back through these 2 red beads. Okay, this is what I want to have. Then I take 1 red and go backwards through the red and exit out of the next black. Okay, I have this, and I want a black one. I'm exiting through this orange, white and orange, and I go back like this, and I need an orange bead. Go back through the orange and through the black after that, and take just 1 black. Then white and yellow go back through the yellow and through the following yellow. One yellow and go through the black after that, and one black. And white and blue go like this. A blue one, go through the blue and through the black after that, and one black and go through the next or red. Okay, so now I will continue this. You can rewind this video and watch from here. So it's white and red, red, black, white and orange, orange, black. Okay, continue this or rewind if you wanna see the steps and meet me here. Okay, and I'm pulling and I have this. Then guys, I'm going through this blue bead in this direction. In this way, I'm changing directions. Take 3 blue beads and go through this blue, and if you can go through the black and yellow after that. If it's easier for you, you can flip in this direction, add 3 yellows where the yellows are, and go through the black and orange after that. 3 orange and go through 3. 3 red and go through the next 3. And I'm going to continue guys this until here, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm adding here my last 3 red beads from this row. And with this, the flowers are ready. And I want to reach here the orange petal. And I'm going to attach my earring finding, taking 1 bead, earring finding, and 1 bead, and I'm going backwards through this orange like this, and I'm reinforcing. After I reinforce, I'm going here and choosing a place to make a knot, let's say between those 2 beads, and I make a loop. I go twice through the loop I've made. Then I want to go through some beads in this direction. You could repeat this knot if you want several times. When you're ready, go through some beads and cut the tail thread. Okay guys, and now my spring fast and easy colorful earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell if you still haven't. Also please like, share and comment to inspire me to make more videos, and you could check the membership option for more video courses and digital patterns, especially for you. Now click on this video that you see here and continue watching.